welcome to the Daily Trading Tip series, and today's tip is to master one thing. For me personally, I've learned and I'm still learning how to trade GBP USD and only GBP USD. This isn't because I think it's the best currency, it's because I think it's the currency I chose to learn and master. I'm mastering GBP USD so that I know exactly what to expect and what my strategy can do. If you master one strategy on one currency pair and you just do that every single day, your strategy and also your understanding of that pair is just going to go through the roof, and you're going to be a much better trader than if you try to be a jack of all currency pairs, I guess you could say. So stick with one thing and just master it. And remember traders, happy trading.